Today we're diving into the Aqueon LED MiniBow Small Aquarium Fish Tank Kit with SmartClean Technology, a perfect aquatic home for your small fish. This sleek, 5-gallon aquarium is designed with SmartClean Technology, allowing you to perform water changes in less than 2 minutes, ensuring a healthier environment for your fish. The kit includes everything you need to get started: an aquarium vessel, hood with elevated base, power filter, small filter cartridge, fish food, water conditioner, and a setup guide. Whether you're a first-time fish keeper or an experienced aquarist, this tank offers a seamless experience for all ages. The Aqueon Small Replacement Cartridge ensures your aquarium stays clean and your fish stay happy. Its compact design makes it a great addition to any room, providing both functionality and style. Dive into the world of fish keeping with confidence and ease, thanks to the Aqueon LED MiniBow Aquarium Kit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.